It's about competition about love. I call him the biggest boss, David AJ. Straightforward. Okay, manager. I call you the biggest boss. Just say something on our mic. No question. Just say something about the show.
Okay, yeah, I came to support a brother, Ahmed Mujahid Bello, and today is the 14th of October, and his concert is happening live at the Aliyu Mahama Sports Stadium, and Kankana need to support her. It's amazing because Charlie, the vibe was reciprocal, the energy was reciprocal. Back energy Shani give to Mama, but Tama back that same energy, and it was amazing. I had a nice performance, and I'm great.
Okay, what should we expect about of David AJ?
I'm bringing my new album. I'm bringing my new album out, and I'm bringing a concert next month at the taxi rank. So they should expect my first time ever concert in Tamale.
Okay.
Hoping concert.
Okay. So, hoping concert. So watch out for the hoping concert of David AJ. Thank you very much for being on our show. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.